Welcome to Accent Master. Today we're going to learn how to pronounce a type of sparkling wine in Italian. This is pronounced Prosecco, Prosecco, Pro-se-co, Prosecco. All right, let's analyze it. A light trill of the R. Don't exaggerate it. The O, the first O, is open. Pro. Se, it's where the stress goes. That's the syllable that takes the stress. Prosecco. And it has an closed vowel. Se, rather than se. Se. Prose. Then you have double C. It's stronger or longer sound. Co. And the O at the end, you can close it. So, Prosecco. Now, of course, there are plenty of Italian speakers that are native, but don't follow standard pronunciation rules that you would follow if you were, for example, a voice actor. And they open it. They say Prosecco. That's perfectly fine. So if you don't care about precise diction, you can either open or close these vowels. But the correct way is Prosecco. Prosecco. Don't drink and drive. Thank you for watching Accent Master. Please subscribe for more, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask.